Hey everyone, it's Thursday. You know we do this every Thursday, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard, live right here on Facebook. Make sure you set your notifications. That way you know when we go live. Because we're always going live, right, Chef John?
We are always going live, and I hate for them to miss out on amazing content because they didn't have their notifications set,
That's
Jody.
right, that's right. They also need to sign up for the newsletter at recteq.com. We are starting to give away a lot of stuff on there for staying subscribed.
That's
so
right.
Make sure you go and sign up for the newsletter at recteq.com. But today is Product Spotlight. We do this every Thursday, 5 p.m. Set your notifications, people. Product Spotlight, 4 p.m. Excuse me. Thank you, John. Product Spotlight is where we spotlight a product here at recteq.com, and today we are spotlighting the competition cart for the RT700. That's right, we got these bad boys in stock. They're $3.99. They ship absolutely for free right to your door. You can easily add this to a RT700 order, which right now at recteq.com, if you purchase a RT700 or RT2500, you get $100 off of the RT-B380 Bullseye. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. But let's talk more about this competition cart that we are spotlighting. Also wanted to show you this little dog. What is this?
Collar.
Dog collar here. Available at recteq.com in medium and small. We'll talk about that in just a little bit. But that's right, we got some dog collars here because we're dog and cat friends.
Yeah, we are. Friends of the animals.
Friends of all animals.
Yeah, we got fish here, recteq fish.
That's right, John. But we're talking about competition carts,
competition
you son of a gun.
That's right.
Again, the competition cart, you can roll over grass, gravel, rock, or sand, ladies and gentlemen. It's got 4 locking casters. Now, those casters are made out of 100% rubber. There's no air in there, so they're not going to run flat. Again, you can literally run with this thing over grass, gravel, rock, or sand. It's got an 800-pound limit, John.
Ooh,
that means you can jump on this thing if you wanted to
and
ride this down a hill. No, we do not recommend that, ladies and gentlemen. It is very, very easy to assemble. If you do not like the legs, or you feel like you want to take your grill more places, this definitely gives it much easier rollability, as well as it looks pretty mean.
Yeah.
It looks tough down there.
It really
you know
does look tough.
It improves the aesthetics of the RT700. And for those of you who don't know, we do have the angled legs that come standard with the RT700, but a lot of our competition folks, a lot of our church folks that like to cook outside, a lot of our campers, they love getting the competition cart for the RT700. But I would be remiss if I didn't talk about the deal right now. If you purchase an RT700 or an RT2500, you get $100 off of the RT-B380 Bullseye. Now, guys, if you have any questions, put them in the comment section down below. Let us know where you're watching from. John, we got any good questions right now?
Well, right now, we have a lot of people asking if they don't move their grill around a lot, is it necessary for them to get the comp cart?
Well, no, the competition cart is not a necessary thing. Anything necessary, we go ahead and add to the grill to make it part of the package, okay? Now, I can roll very, very easily my RT700 on the normal angled leg base. So it is not absolutely necessary, but it definitely makes rolling and moving the grill a lot easier.
Right.
And again, it's got that sturdier, not sturdier, excuse me, that's the wrong word to be using, more beefier looking stance. It's just a little bit more aesthetically pleasing, I feel like, on the competition cart. Now, another cool thing about the competition cart, come on over here, Sherpa, is that you've got these openings on each side, on the left and the right, and they've got a ledge here. So this is actually the area where I store my sear kit. So I actually slide my sear kit in here and store it on the inside up underneath the competition cart. But again, this thing rolls. Oh, I had everything set up on there. Oh, sorry, everybody. But yeah, it's super easy to roll. Am I going to mess up anything else, John?
No, you're doing great.
Sorry, Boss Man Ben.
You're doing great.
But you guys can see how easy. Safety coordinator is on the way. But you can see how easy this bad boy rolls. Okay, but the competition cart available now at recteq.com for $3.99. Again, if you've already got the RT700, makes a great addition. Again, you can roll over grass, gravel, rock, or sand. It ships absolutely free right to your door. Available at recteq.com. But also want to talk about these. We've got these dog collars or cat collars or goat. Or any kind of animal. Cow. You can put these on your kids if you want to. We've got them in sizes medium and small. This is a medium. And Yep, medium will go around a dog about the size of my neck. So we've got, again, medium and small available at recteq.com. These are $24.98. Very, very sturdy and strong.
Very sturdy.
I'm telling you, made out of good quality stuff here.
That's right, and just in time for
animals
the 4th of
will be
July.
happy.
Yeah.
Just in time for 4th of July, just in time for Father's Day.
That's right, Father's Day.
Again, if your dad has the RT700 and he doesn't have the competition cart, this makes an absolutely amazing Father's Day gift. So make sure you check it out at recteq.com. Don't forget, we've got pellet bundles on sale right now if you purchase a grill. So make sure you go to recteq.com and check out all those specials. We've got an amazing Fun Day Friday for you tomorrow. Chef John goes live tonight on Instagram at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard. John, we got any more questions before we get out of here?
They're just absolutely loving the comp cart. They said it's a great idea. They're thinking the pellet bundle's a great idea for Father's Day gift too, Jody. Do you have any other gift suggestions for Father's Day?
The rub and sauce bundle makes a great Father's Day gift as well. That recteq cookbook. If you send a note, we can sign that for you as well. But the combination of the cookbook and the rub and sauce bundle
Now you're talking.
qualify for free shipping.
That's what I like.
So that's definitely an amazing Father's Day gift. But the recteq Icer 45 quart cooler in red, white, blue, red and black, or camo also makes a great Father's Day gift. What else we got here? Again, if you purchase him the RT700 or RT2500, you can get yourself the Bullseye for $100 off.
Companion grill.
I'm telling you,
Weekday workhorse.
Hey, gosh, no, keep it coming. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. We love you. We thank you. Make sure you smash that share button. We'll give you 3 seconds to do it. 3, 2, 1, smash it! From everybody here at the recteq Worldwide Headquarters in beautiful Evans, Georgia, God bless you. God bless the United States of America. And we'll see you at the recteq.
Do, do, do. Do, do, do.
Stainless steel everywhere. Get on that collar, Sherpa. People love that collar.
Set it. Come get it. When the sun starts going down.
Woof, woof.
Live your life the way you like. recteq.